go to war with Chris Brown by Karuchi, nigga. Slum out the south, close the thing to Lil Boosie. Type of shit, I'm on the phone with my nigga Ray Vic. Got a player in the mall, hold that motherfucker stick. Type of shit, I'm on the phone with Rub Band OG. I them rub bands on me, nigga. Rub bands on me, nigga.
We set the standards, authentically played. Solid
Damn,
music.
son, where'd you
Florida
find
Boy,
this?
352, Dookie J. Play that shit so we can vibe, baby.
Hey man, say man, we locked in the mix. Ain't no telling where he going with the vibes. Slow lane or fast. With Dookie J, baby. Let's go.
Reverend Shlom will not be doing the usual. He won't be doing the usual, ladies and gentlemen, but he will be preaching that shit. You know, gonna keep it short today and deep, you know what I'm saying? And a few things after this. He's been currently involved in checking bitches and checking niggas and, you know, it's the one for you. It really has. I'm gonna poke your ass up, even out and yes, specialty. That's all there is for it. As Slum Dog tries to every single thing he does means something. Slum try to do it, Gangsta. Drama set up when ready for it. Moving out the blow out this little hoe house got me paranoid. Slum Dog and gone on the shootout, rocket time. Yeah, bad bitches stay on board. Work the pot, Slum Dog, work the defense like he Floyd Mayweather. Yeah, I would not go on swing and try to rap out the pedal. Make that whip stay together, make a bitch stay better. Yeah, nigga, straight up, we like that, nigga. Real life, nigga. Slum ain't no slime, but my dog's real right, nigga. Slum Dog ain't rich, but my hood rich. Rolling like the dope boys in my D. I'm talking about Slum Dog, you punk nigga. Slum Dog, you holding nigga. Know it, nigga, you know it. Know it. Pistol whip, don't lie, nigga. Slum Dog don't die, he got 2 kids, he gotta provide, nigga. Little nigga on my timeline acting tough like he can't die, nigga. Wow. You got too much pride, nigga. Step aside, nigga, beside. Move around, ho. Slum down with player, fly like I'm from Funka Town, ho. Yeah, slum down with Gangsta, fool like he from Memphis 10. Yeah, I sent the crap project, paper project, did not send it back. Young dope respect the game, man. Young dope respect these street shit. Snatch a nigga out they clothes on my 30 deep shit. School couldn't teach me shit. This ain't no TV shit. I'm grinding for my nephews and killing by my niece shit. I remember the day I said fuck school and I ain't going back to homeroom, cause my teacher said I wouldn't be shit. I remember the day I told my mama I wasn't picking up a broom because I didn't need a broom to stay clean because I had clean. And clean was gonna be unclean. Bank rules in my teeth. Yes, sir. Big Slum. I'm happy. I'm not going back and forth with you about the bitch, cause we both know I'm stepping. It's high yellow and passionate. It ain't the drug talking, I'm just that. Yeah, part that shit. Ski man. Hit the bitch, got the code to the condo keypad. Yeah, glitter on the glove, that's the bitch on my bag. This movie here, killer nigga. Slum Dog, rub shoulders with the killers, nigga. Yeah, Slum Dog, been on moves with finesses, baby. 25 lighters on my dresser, baby. Push up on them niggas if you push it, baby. Yeah, pressure wash. Yeah, spray 'em down. Snatch you out your hair and bone. Thugger like I'm from Pier Home. Pop like I'm from Hernan Home. Slum Dog, want that ticket like I'm from Capitol Home. dog. Want them ticket like he for summer. He'll get naked, bitch, you know the drill. Snakes on my collar, yeah, I'm Gucci, bitch, I'm Gucci. Diamond ropes on my collar. You can fuck me, you can't smooch me, man. Slum, go to war with Chris Brown by Karuchi, nigga. Slum out that south, closest thing to Lil Boosie. Type of shit, I'm on the phone with my nigga Ray Vic. Had a player in the mall, hold that motherfucker stick. Type of shit, I'm on the phone with Rub Band OG. Had them rub bands on me, nigga. Rub bands on me, nigga. Oh yeah, I do this for my wolves like a mob, nigga. When it done, I told her, we won't get at me, get hard, nigga. I trapped on Boulevard, nigga. I trapped up by the block, nigga. I trapped up by that lane. This nigga handsome in my face, good, nigga. Yeah. Try to do a gangsta drum, said when ready for it. Move out, low, ho, got me paranoid. You like rocket on, bad bitches stay on board. Work the pot, slum, dog, working like the Floyd Mayweather. Yeah, I was not gon' try to rap acapella. Make that whip stay together, make a bitch stay better. Yes, sir. Real life, nigga. Slum ain't no slime, but my dog's real right, nigga. Slum, dog.
What are you trying to do?